Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I brought you one of the best models photo shots which you're gonna like them the best. Make sure to first like to this video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, our first shot is this lady. She just leaning in the middle of this small size bed wearing red outfits and holding the rose, and the whole color of the room is in pinkish, light pinkish color. Okay, and here she's enjoying a live music party concert, and she's wearing a very attractive outfit. As you can see, it looks very great on her. Wow. And here she's also taking or sunbathing in the morning. She's taking some vitamin D for her body, which she's gonna need for now and for the future. She's also sleeping while she's just supporting her head with one hand, and the other hand is just straightly relaxing above her thighs. And the next. Okay, so if you want videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Make sure to watch this video until the end. Until next time, stay tuned.